Welcome to my Info 99 YouTube channel. Today's video is made on different fruits and their names. This video is made with full honesty and sincerity. Hope you will like the video. Please upload videos on my YouTube channel. The purpose of is only to provide correct information to the people. So let's start today's video. Banana. It is banana. Orange. It is orange. Grapes. It is grapes. Apple. It is apple. Strawberry. It is strawberry. Blueberry. It is blueberry. Cherry. It is cherry. Raspberry. It is raspberry. Mango. It is mango. Blackberry. It is blackberry. Watermelon. It is watermelon. Pineapple. It is pineapple. Cantaloupe. It is cantaloupe. Honeydew. It is honeydew. Kiwi. It is kiwi. Peach. It is peach. Plum. It is plum. Nectarine. It is nectarine. Apricot. It is apricot. Pear. It is pear. Fig. It is fig. Papaya. It is papaya. Passion fruit. It is passion fruit. Dragon fruit. It is dragon fruit. Star fruit. It is star fruit. Lychee. It is lychee. Rambutan. It is rambutan. Guava. It is guava. Pomegranate. It is pomegranate. Coconut. It is coconut. Avocado. It is avocado. Tomato. It is tomato. Gooseberry. It is gooseberry. Mulberry. It is mulberry. Cranberry. It is cranberry. Boysenberry. It is boysenberry. Elderberry. It is elderberry. Loganberry. It is loganberry. Blackcurrant. It is blackcurrant. Persimmon. It is persimmon. Quince. It is quince. Lime. It is lime. Lemon. It is lemon. Thanks for watching my YouTube video. If you like the video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel so that you will be notified of my new videos. Thank you.